Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we'll be sharing you the interview questions that has been shared with us by one of our subscriber friend. These are related to Publicis Sapient. So if you are having any interview with Sapient, this video will definitely be helpful for you. Watch out for all the questions because there are a few interesting questions that she has shared. So this was the mail that we got. So this is for experience level 4 years, and interview process was 2 technical rounds followed by a manager and a HR. So totally like 4 rounds were there, 2 technical and manager and HR. So this is for 4 years of experience, and believe me, these are very good quality questions that we can say what she has shared. So both the what I can say, close to 20-25 questions she has shared, and I believe those were from both the technical rounds. She didn't mention from which technical round what she faced, but she directly shared all the interview questions. So let us see. First question was, what is the performance benefits of using streams? So we have to explain about the performance benefits that we get from streams. Like if you go with parallel stream, so it internally uses threads which uses fork and join. So using that we definitely get improvement in the performance, we can say. This is just an overall idea I'm giving. We have to say that in a very deep level. So next question was, what is stream API and why it is introduced in Java 8? So one has to explain this. What is stream is what you will say. So stream is a process of processing the data, like whatever definition you have you can say. Then the question is, what is parallel stream? So this is one of the important question these days. Everyone is uh, asking about the parallel stream and how it works internally. So it internally uses a fork join pool. And there was one question, I remember, like how many threads that gets created when we create a parallel stream. To be honest, I couldn't get the exact answer anywhere. If anyone knows, they're most welcome to comment on the video. Then the next question was, what are intermediate and terminal operations in stream? So they have their own definitions, like intermediate operations are lazy, terminal operations are not lazy. So we have to have a terminal operation at the end to get the output. So there are quite different differences are there. Then there was one question, this is one interesting question: any change that got introduced in memory management in Java 8? So any change introduced in memory management in Java 8? Yes. Now we don't have perm gem, rather we have uh, metaspace, which increases the size dynamically. Next question, what are static variables and static methods stored in memory? So like where exactly they are stored, the static related things of a class, of a variables, whatever it is, where they are stored, that is the question. So this is was the sixth question. So if you are trying to buy anything on Amazon, you can use our affiliation link which is there in the description. Just want to share that. Next, when to choose array list over hash map? So this is a very simple question. If you want to store the key value pairs, then we'll go with hash map, or else we go with array list if we want to store the insertion order. Then the next question is interesting: why only one null key is allowed in hash map? So honestly, when I'm not getting anything, why only one key is allowed in a hash map? So if you know the answer, comment it out. Next question is, what is the mechanism used by tree map for sorting? So basically this is basic question you might encounter in many. What is the algorithm, or what is the sorting technique that tree map uses? And there is one more, we can do, how would a tree map work on null values? That is also one of the question, just to add on. What are the next question, also 10th question is, what are the differences between array list and linked list? So uh, simple, this is also a simple question, I could say. The next question is method overriding allowed or possible in a same class? So one interesting question, never tried this. Method overriding is possible in same class or not? If you know the answer, comment it out. Next question is, what is abstract class and interfaces? So might be the question would be like, after asking this, there would be definitely a counter question. What is the difference between abstract class and interfaces? I at least ask people. So coming to the next question, the 13th question: when do we create an abstract class over interface? So this depends again, like this depends on lot of things, like we why do we go for abstract class or over interface. Next question: how can we create final array list in Java? So there are different ways we can create final array list: unmodifiable list, creating a final list. So what is the difference between REST and SOAP is the next question, that is question number 15. So there are a number of differences, to be honest. I never worked on SOAP, though I don't know, like SOAP, one difference I could figure it right now is SOAP does just supports XML, but REST supports a lot of things: XML, JSON, plain text. Then the next question is, what is response body? The rate response body is nothing but like whatever, if you are using at the rate controller, then this comes into picture. So what type of response we are sending back, we need to annotate at this class with this annotation, sorry. Then the next question was, what is auto configuration in Spring Boot? How can we read properties in Spring Boot? So next is profiling in Spring Boot, like how profiles work in Spring Boot. This is one of the important questions related to Spring Boot. Lot of interviews you will be encountering this question, like how profiles are, like how that is what I can say, implemented. So basically we will be having different property files, and we can use a direct profile annotation as well. So these are the two ways we can do, and we need to pass the runtime config, like pass argument which profile to load. So then there was a question on query, like select query with the third highest salary or find out the second highest salary. So this was the question to select the nth highest salary basically. So these were the questions. Then apart from these questions, there were coding questions on Java 8 stream, but she has not shared what was the exact coding questions that she encountered, but she is saying that there are coding questions as well. So maybe she forgot or don't know. So here is the complete mail what that we got. Hi team, you people are doing a great job, help me a lot in interview preparation. Please keep doing this, it will definitely many in future. What, okay, might be definitely help many in future. Experience is 4 years. Interview process too technical, followed by manager and HR. Below are the interview questions that I faced in Sapient interview. What is the performance benefits of using Stream? What is the Stream API and why it is introduced? What is parallel Stream? What are the intermediate and terminal operations in Stream? Any change introduced in memory management in Java 8? Where are the static variables and static methods stored in memory? When to choose array list and hash map? Why only one key is allowed in hash map? Which mechanism is used by tree map and sorting? What are the differences by array list and linked list? Mention method overriding is possible in same class. What is the abstract class and interface? When do we go for abstract class over interface? How can we create final array list? What is the difference between REST and SOAP? What is response body? What is auto configuration in Spring Boot? How can we read properties in Spring Boot? Profiling in Spring Boot, select query, and there were some questions in Java. So basically what I can figure it out is questions were asked from core Java, Java 8 mostly, then Spring Boot, Spring, and one DB query. So these are the questions that were asked. So that's it. Like this is the mail. I hope if you might like this video, or this would definitely help you in your interview preparation. If you haven't subscribed us, you can subscribe us. You can hit the like button, provide the feedback whether you have liked the questions or not. You can share this to other technical platforms as well, so that it might help someone. And if you are on our channel for the first time, you might be getting a question like, who are we and what we do? So we are basically a bunch of software engineers who attend interviews and share our real-time interview experiences through these videos. So the company names that are getting printed on your screen are the list of companies interview experiences that we have already shared. You can visit our channel and you can get benefit out of it by watching it. So a lot of people mail us that these videos help them. So definitely we believe that this would be helpful for you as well. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out any updates that we are posting, because there are a lot of videos. As we are all working professionals, we don't get enough amount of time to share. to post, so that is there why there is a delay, and there are things that needs to be worked on. So that's it, and if you want to contribute us, you can use our Amazon affiliation link that is there in the description. And if at all you want to share your interview experiences, you can reach out to us in the mail ID that is given in the description. And if you want any doubts related to IT field also, you can reach us out. And thank you for watching.